Hello guys. Welcome back with the additional. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper of Friday, January 6, 2023. I've solved earlier two puzzles, the Sudoku Heavy and the Sudoku Light with a speed test, because the first Friday of the month I will do a speed test. But in this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. We have the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, this first one I will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku. Number 5747, yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 25 printed digits. 3 stars Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah, for example, today I have a Sudoku Heavy and a Sudoku Light. Well, the Sudoku Heavy, I need the Sudoku Light, I need more time than with the Sudoku Heavy. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle first. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 3 3s. 4 4s. Alright, 4 4s. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 5s. 2 6s. 3 7s. 2 8s. And 3 9s. So the 4s are in majority. Can I start with 4? Yes, 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Then 9 2. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 9. We have a 7 in this column, last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 2 6. 1 2 6, 1 2 6, 1 2 6. And look, we have a 2 in this big square, no 2 in this box. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there in this column. 1 and a 6 are left. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 6 in this row, the 6 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, K. 8, 9, and the 3, 9, 9, 8, 9. 8, 3, and the 7, 7, 3. Well, 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 8. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 8, 8. 8, 8. Wait here. 7. 7. Come on. 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright, and now 3, 5, need 5, 3, 5, 8, 8, 8. We have an 8 there. Well, 8 should be here then. Yeah, because here can be an 8. Here can be an 8. So the only 2 places left for the 8 in this row should be here or there. Yeah, 8. 8, 8, 8. Okay. 8, 8. 7, 4, 6. 8, 1, 5, 1, 3. 1, 3, 5, 8. 1, 1. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Yeah. No 1 here. 1, 1, 2, 7. Come on. 8, 8. 8, 8. 8, 8. Wow. Difficult. 8, 8. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Come on. 9. 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 2, 7, 7, 2, 6. Need a 1 number here. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Oh, 9, 9. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this second column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. So 2 numbers are left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 are missing. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 8. 1 and a 3, 8, 1 and a 3, 6, 6, here 6, there 6, 9, 9, 9, 9, okay, 2, 9, 6, no, 6 should be here, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 is missing. And the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. No 1 goes there. 5 and 8. We have 8 now. In this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 and 3, we have a 3 now. In this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7, 7, okay. 2, 5, and 6, 2, 5, 6. Well, will be difficult. 3, 8, and the 1. No. 9 and 3. 9, 3, and a 1. Oh, we have a 3 here. 3, 3. 9. 9 and a 1 then. 9, 1, and 5. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 3, 4, 8. 8 should be here. Yeah, 8 should be here. 8 should be also there. Yeah. 7, 7. Ah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. Well, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 here. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2 is also missing here. 2, 2. Here should be the 2. Yeah. No. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. How about these? 1, 5, and 6. Here can be 6, 6, 6. No. 1 and 3 missing numbers in this row. Third row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have 1 and 5 in this row. So no 1 and 5 in this box. The 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. 6, 6, 6. All right. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2, 2, okay. 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 and 3, we have a 9 now in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column. Last column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. Let me mark those. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. 3 and 5. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. Yeah, the 5 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 5 in the third column. 5 in the first column. So the column between. In the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this, 2 missing numbers. So we 2 missing numbers in this big square now. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 7 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this first column for number, I believe the 8. Yeah. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 and 8. We have an 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers. The 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later in a minute with the second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.